Hey friends, today I am going to show you how to control interactions between two visuals in Power BI. So let me show you how onto my screen. In this example, we have three visuals. The first visual is a simple card which shows what the company profit is. The second visual shows what the cost is, and the third visual shows what the profit is by mode of transportation. So this is what we are having. The issue with this particular dashboard is that if I select delivery truck alone in this particular visual, every other visual is getting aligned with the delivery track. For example, 2.64 is the profit, and cost is $224.59. So everything is getting filtered for delivery track. And the same way for regular air also, everything gets filtered. But my requirement is the cost should get changed, but the company profit should remain the same. It should be a sum of all values only. It should not change. That is my requirement. So what I should be doing is, as a first step, I am just selecting this visual, and next there is an option called format. So yeah, so I'm gonna go to format. There is something called as edit interactions. We have to select edit interactions. Once we select edit interactions, we get lot of other things also. It gets popped up, and if you can see here, this is the interactive features. So if it is none, everything will get filtered as per this particular element. If it is, I am putting as this particular symbol, what will happen is that whatever I select here, this will not affect the company profit visual. So let us see how it's working now. Yeah, so now I am selecting regular app. Only my cost visual is getting changed, and but it is not affecting the company profit. The same way with delivery trucks, express app, whatever I select here, only the cost is getting affected, but not this particular visual, right? So let's do it for the other visual also, so other way also. So I'm gonna go to select and edit interactions. So I'm gonna go here, edit interactions. Now I'm gonna release this particular thing, right? So yeah, there is a another option, filter, right? So yeah, now I'm gonna do the same thing for cost, and click the edit interactions again, so it will go away. So now if I select delivery truck, company profit will change, but the cost screen will not change. The same way with the regular R also, company profit will change, cost won't change. So this is what I wanted to share with you guys today. If you like this video, click like button, and for more such videos, click subscribe button. Thanks.